Welcome to part 4, Space Criteria. The Space Criteria tab is just like the Building tab, except this time you're defining all of your indoor conditions and space usage properties. Start by adding a new space type. You'll notice that when you add one space type, it's added to all of the tables here. You're going to define the indoor design conditions, temperature set points, ventilation requirements, exhaust requirements, interior loads, and usage schedule for each of your space types. Just like with the Building tab, you can use the Help feature to help you along this process, or save some time by importing a pre-populated table from a past project. To quickly run through each of these tables, the indoor design conditions ask you to specify your thermostat set points for summer and winter conditions, along with the range and the ideal indoor relative humidity. The ventilation requirements ask for the outdoor air rate required for each different space type. Exhaust requirements capture the required exhaust for each space type. If no exhaust is required, you can leave it blank or put 0. Then the interior loads is where you define some of your interior conditions that generate heat, such as your people density, your people sensible and latent load, your lighting load, and the percentage of that load that goes to the ceiling space, if applicable, and your equipment load or your plug load. Lastly, you define the usage schedule for your space. To be conservative, you can go 24/7. You have an option for a 9 to 5 occupancy schedule, or you can choose a custom schedule and adjust it yourself like so. You'll also notice at the bottom here, you have a table for sound criteria. This does not affect your load calculations, and again, is just for documentation. That wraps up the space criteria step and effectively completes your basis of design. Now, onto your sheet library.